Before cleaning or reinstallation, make sure the machine is under off status. Open the top cap anti-clockwise, as indicated by the arrow on the cover. Push and pick up the small cover on the left with the left index finger. Push the whole cover with your right thumb. Push the cover to the end and remove it. Remove the sack for toothpaste slightly hard. Clean the sack. Push the internal wall of the toothbrush cabin. Press hard and remove the cabin. A special cleaning brush is available for sale to clean the cover, sack, and cabin. Rotate to align the upper and lower triangle pattern. Prevent the toothpaste from falling out of the mouth and causing the toothpaste to fall off. Align the upper cover with the inner wall, arrow mark, and press in. Push and pick up the small cover on the left with the right index finger. Push the whole cover with your left thumb. A special designed empty toothpaste tube is available for sale to adapt all impracticable toothpaste mouths. Unscrew the upper cover counterclockwise. Squeeze the toothpaste into the toothpaste tube. Tighten the upper cover clockwise. Insert the adapter into the toothpaste for use.